Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's not luck. It's not a gift. It's a choice, a discipline, a skill forged in the fires of adversity, honed by the wisdom of the ages. Right now, you might be held back by fear, by doubt, by the voice in your head that says, "What if I fail?" But what if I told you that the key to unshakable confidence was discovered over 2,000 years ago? What if the secret to mental toughness wasn't in some modern self-help book, but in the timeless principles of Stoic philosophy? This is not just about feeling better. This is about becoming stronger, unbreakable. This is about building a mindset that doesn't crumble under pressure, but thrives in it. This is a Stoic guide to unshakable confidence. Most people think confidence comes from success, from approval, from validation. They believe, once I achieve X, then I'll feel confident. But that's a trap. The Stoics knew this. Epictetus, a former slave-turned-philosopher, said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Confidence isn't about controlling the world around you. It's about mastering the world within you. Think about it. If your confidence depends on external things like money, status, praise, then it's fragile. One setback, one criticism, one failure, and it shatters. But real confidence, unshakable confidence, that comes from knowing that no matter what happens, you can handle it. That's Stoic confidence. Not the absence of fear, but the mastery of it. The Stoics divided life into two categories: what you can control and what you can't. Your effort, your attitude, your choices, your outcomes, other people's opinions, luck, not yours. Most people waste energy worrying about things they can't change. They obsess over rejection, failure, and judgment. But the Stoics, they focused on one thing: their own virtue, their integrity, their effort. Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king who ruled Rome during war and plague, wrote in his private journal, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you'll find strength." That's the foundation of mental toughness. Not hoping for an easy life, but developing the strength to face a hard one. Here's where most people get it wrong. They see obstacles as enemies, as proof they're not good enough. But the Stoics, they saw obstacles as fuel. Ryan Holiday called it, "The obstacle is the way." Every challenge, every setback is an opportunity to practice resilience, to grow stronger, to prove to yourself what you're made of. Think about the last time you faced a real struggle. Did it break you? Or did it reveal a strength you didn't know you had? Seneca, the Stoic statesman, said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." You don't build confidence by avoiding fear. You build it by walking through it. So ask yourself, are you running from resistance? Or are you using it to forge an unshakable mind? Confidence isn't a one-time event. It's a daily practice, a discipline. The Stoics didn't just theorize about courage. They lived it. They used mental exercises, visualizing worst-case scenarios to prepare for adversity, reflecting on their actions each night, reminding themselves that everything is temporary, even fear. You want unshakable confidence? Then train like a Stoic. Start small. Speak up when you'd rather stay quiet. Take action when you'd rather hesitate. Embrace discomfort like it's your teacher. Because here's the truth. Courage is a habit. And every time you choose bravery over comfort, you rewrite your identity. You tell yourself, "I am someone who faces things head on." There's a deeper layer to confidence, one most people never reach. It's not about being fearless. It's about knowing deep in your bones that you live by a code, that no matter what happens, you won't betray yourself. The Stoics called the trait excellence a character. It's the kind of confidence that comes from knowing you do what's right, even when it's hard, that you keep your word, that you stand by your principles. Because when you know who you are when you've tested yourself in the fire, you don't need validation. You don't need applause. Your confidence comes from something unshakable, your integrity. And that's true power. So here's the challenge. Stop waiting for confidence to find you. Build it, day by day, action by action. The world doesn't need more people who crumble under pressure. It needs those who rise, who face adversity with calm strength, who doesn't just survive chaos, but thrive in it. That's the Stoic way. That's the path to unshakable confidence. Now, go prove to yourself what you're capable of.